Hi everyone, I'm Vince Edward T. Balagtas from grade 11 GAS. So for today, we're gonna study simple interest. So what is simple interest? What is the element of simple interest? And how it's imputed? Simple interest. What is an interest? Interest is the price you pay to borrow money or the return earned on an investment. For borrowers, interest is most often reflected as annual percentage of the amount of loan. Lender or creditor. Lender or creditor refers to the party lending money or extending credit. He or she expects money to earn income from the transaction. Borrower or debtor. Borrower or debtor, meanwhile, refers to the party using the money or credit who expect future expenses at the cost of using it. For example, when money is deposited in the bank for safekeeping, the depositor is considered as the creditor and the bank is viewed as the party obligated to pay the interest. Simple interest. Simple interest refers to an interest that is computed on the original principal during the whole period or time of borrowing. Elements how it is computed. First, principal. Principal refers to the amount of money extended for credit or the amount of money deposited in the bank for safekeeping. 2. Interest rate. Interest rate refers to the charge amount for using the money over a certain period. It is commonly expressed in percent but is converted into decimal. Time. Time refers to the period covered from the time that the money or principal is borrowed until due date. The due date of the payment of the principal is known as the maturity date. The formula I equal I is equal to P times P times R times T, where the I is interest, the P is principal, the R is the interest rate, and the T is the time. So here for the example, let's say your P is 200,000. P is 200,000 and your R is 2%. So we're gonna make it a decimal, so it will be 0.02. And your time is, let's say 1 year. So we're gonna put here 1. So first, let's multiply this 200,000 and 0.2. If you use your calculator, the answer will be is 4,000. Then times it with your time, so 4,000 times 1. So the answer will be 4,000. So our interest is 4,000. So let's give one more example. Let's say your P is 150,000 and your R is 4%. So we're gonna make a decimal, so it will come 0.04. And your year is 3 years. So first, let's multiply this P times R. If you use a calculator, the answer will be 6,000 and times it with your time, which is 3. So 6,000 times 3 is equals to 18,000. So our interest for example number 2 is 18,000. So that's it. So computing a simple interest is so easy. Just remember the formula, which is the I is equals to P times R times T. So I hope you learned something, and thank you.